Okay, I receive my phone. Open it up. Uh-oh. So this is a Xiaomi Mi 11 Ultra. This is a 67-watt charger. I saw this phones does not include the charger because when I purchased this phone, it says no charger. But anyway, I actually got a charger. Okay, how to open this? Okay. There's no, this is the back cover here. Okay. Wow. Oh, great. Very big. Uh-oh. This is a Samsung S7 I use now. You see? So, much bigger. Okay, now let me put the SIM card in. This phone supports dual SIM card. See, in here, it says SIM 1. Flip over, SIM 2. So, put the one SIM card in here. I have another one. I have another one in here. Okay. 2 SIM card. Now, oops. Okay, here. Huh? Turn on the power again. Better go that way. not set. Channel mobile. And go that way. I don't have a Mi account. I skip this one. Skip. New device. Fingerprint. Okay, finally I finished, but I haven't finished the setup. Setup is pretty easy. Currently, all apps are on home screen, which I don't like it. So go to the settings, home screen. Currently is classic. I can switch to with app drawer. So all done. So the apps are all in here. So next step, transfer everything from my old phone to this new phone. I use a Mi Mover. In my old phone, Samsung S7, I also installed the Mi Mover. So that's the old phone. Click on here, it will transfer everything to the new phone. This phone has in the back there's a display here. That's a nice feature. I like it. I like this feature. Okay. In the settings, find the special features. The special features, the settings real display. I can choose horizontal or vertical. And the color, change the color. If I disable the automatically changing color, I can select any color here. But I think I will use the automatically color changing. Okay, now the camera feature here. Photo, I can use a preview. Then see in the back, right? This is nice. That's nice. This is just like a GoPro 9. This has a front and back display. Next setting is a password and security. In here, I can add fingerprinters. Click here. I add 3 fingerprinters. I can add more. Setup is easy. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.